Thought I'd run a diesel engine today that actually has smoke as well. It's really just the diesel exhaust, it's not smoke. This is the Broadway Limited Imports diesel engine. It's unlettered, and actually this is, I think, even a prototype that they don't actually sell. It does have full sound. Oh, actually you can see the flashing ditch lights there. The sound. There's the bell. I'm going to add some more, and actually today I think I'm going to try this Christmas proto smoke here from MTH. I'll put this into a Broadway and just want to know what the smell is going to be like. I might have to blow down these a little bit. Okay, let's try to get the air bubbles out. There we go. Okay. So this is an idle right now. When I increase the speed, the smoke should increase also. Or maybe I think it's the other way around. I don't remember. Actually, hold on, let's bring it back. And of course I have the cow cars running, that's why, I mean, they're so loud, and the smoke cars also here. Maybe there's another air bubble. There we go, yes, it was an air bubble. Okay, here we go. Let's go up to full speed. I just love the acceleration on this. I do smell the Christmas smoke. I just want to, it does smell kind of, what's the, it smells like cinnamon, like cinnamon. Cinnamon-y. It's hard to describe. Like someone baking a pie, and with pine trees. And these are the smoke generator cars here, or steam generator cars. They also use smoke oil, and I might actually put some of the Christmas smoke oil in these also. Let's bring it back a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm going to try that. Let's see. I'm going to take this little cap off. And it's just not to use anything else other than Rapido smoke oil. But let's try this. I don't think there's going to be an issue with the MTH smoke oil. MTH has a good quality smoke oil also. Never had any issues with it. I'll just put it. I'll just fill it up there. Let's put the cap back on. That'll take time to warm up. And we'll do the other one also. Move this back. You're supposed to use this magnetic wand to open these up, but I just use the hatch rail. I'm trying to get this thing off. Oh, it almost came off. There we go. Put a couple drops in this one too. There we go. This one seems to be running more, I'm not sure. Oh no, this one's running also, yeah. It's just, I guess the smoke oil is just, the smoke is just blowing in another direction. So try and get this cap back on with one hand. There we go. And get a little magnetic cover, there we go. Yeah, that might take some time to warm up. Yeah, it looks like the CN one actually runs better, but let's back up the, oh, I have already in reverse. Back up the diesel engine, and we'll put a couple more drops into that also. There we go. And put the cap back on. And we have a Christmas smelling smoke oil party here. Okay, yes. Let's try the horn. Ball. Go forward. Yeah, front light goes on. And the steam generator cars. Yeah, so everything smells like Christmassy. Kind of like a pine smell and someone baking something in the kitchen, in the oven. All at the same time. You can see the smoke at the trailing at the tail end there. Oh, it runs nicely. Yeah, this diesel engine doesn't have a problem at all pulling these small number of coaches, although they are pretty heavy. Like the track cleaner coach is heavy. These are steam generator cars are heavy. And of course the cow cars, they're pretty heavy. The only light thing on there is the caboose, actually. Let's slow this down a bit. Oh yeah, that's really coming out there. You can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. And it smells very Christmassy. Let's see the other one. Yeah, that one too. Oh wow. That's interesting. That's like shooting against the rails there. And this one also. Oh, here it is. Wow. Unbelievable. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like Christmas. It really, you know what, they did a really good job with this smoke oil. This, let me see here, what's it called here? Christmas Proto Smoke, MTH Electric Trains. Yeah, MTH Electric Trains. Christmas Proto Smoke. This really smells good. Too bad on YouTube they don't have like smell-o-vision, so you could smell this. These are amazing. Of course, sitting for a while, what happens is the smoke oil, it accumulates on the rails. So I have to always wipe them and clean them because it's just very slippery for the engines. But it still runs, this engine still runs great on it. Just gonna try and wipe some of it off now. I'm gonna have to clean it though. I'm just gonna get some Windex to clean it. You shouldn't use anything really harsh. It doesn't need anything harsh. That's why I always run, whenever I'm running anything with steam or smoke, I always have a track cleaner car. And this is another reason why a lot of people, they don't like steam engines or anything with smoke function. None of these guys would like these steam generator coaches because they would be so worried about getting their rails dirty all the time. But you know what? You just wipe it and it's pretty clean. Oh, let's stop it here. I don't know why this one. I'm going to try a different smoke oil on this one. Again, the air bubbles are out. There we go. Yes. That's all it is. A bunch of air bubbles. That's smoking. Diesel smoke and the steam from the steam generator cars. It's beginning to smell a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. It's the old Bing Crosby song. Just gonna bring it out, bring it around one more time, and then we're gonna do the shutdown sequence. And let's see how this, let's see the shutdown sequence on this Broadway engine. So it's F9 for Broadway. Should have a shutdown. Yeah, there. Okay. Wow, long shutdown sequence. Let's start it up again. Let's see what happens on the startup. Not much. I don't know why F9 shut down the smoke on it. I might have to reset the CVs on this one. Anyway, let's stop it here. Let's try it again. Yeah, I think F9 might be shutting off the smoke. I'm not sure. Anyway, there you have it. Bye for now.